First, enter the background and click on Residential Proxies. Configure proxies using a sub-account. Select the country or region you wish to use. Then you can configure the host address, state city/ISP, username, and password here. Copy the generated output format to the corresponding browser. Go to Settings, Connections page. Paste the proxy IP and address you just configured into the settings page and test it. Once the test is successful, click Save. Configure the proxy address and port. The proxy IP change is now complete.